Morning, everyone. This is Cindy, and I'm coming live from Virginia, where it is not pouring down rain right now, but it was earlier today, and we're supposed to get rain and snow mix tomorrow. So lots of staying in. So I thought I would catch up on some videos and uploading to my YouTube. And what I wanted to talk about in this video is a new system that was launched a few weeks ago called Internet Lifestyle Pros. And what it is that it is a super funnel to promote Power Lead system. And a lot of times when new people join businesses, they don't understand what they're doing, how to go about marketing it, and all the things that new people question. And the one thing about ILP is it takes all of the guesswork out of promoting. And Power Lead System is a system that does give you the opportunity to make your own funnels and that kind of thing and brand yourself too. But a lot of times when you're brand new, you're not really sure about how to do that. And PLS does give you that information, but it's a lot of information back there, and sometimes you can get in information overload, and it kind of just goes over your head, especially if you're somebody new. But with ILP, the good thing about it is it's a very simple setup, and it connects directly with your Power Lead system, which is the product that the ILP system is promoting. And they have set it up to where it's idiot proof. If you're a newbie, you're going to be able to walk simply step by step, follow the videos, set up your link, and you'll be able to promote your PLS business as well, which is why we do have ILP. It goes into how powerful PLS is, the compensation plan, and one of the things about PLS is that the compensation plan has things in it that most compensation plans don't have, and the compensation video goes through everything about the compensation plan. The videos for setting up your system is very self-explanatory, very step-by-step. Pretty much anybody can follow them if you do it. And it's a very simple system to promote something bigger. And you have your system set up, which goes through the videos on how to set up your ILP system. See, step by 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you click Get Set Up here. And then you have your orientation, which takes you through the back office of ILP. And you get all your affiliate tools here, your links, your banners, swipe copy, how to get traffic, which is paid traffic from very reliable sources for paid traffic. And then also down here, you also get free training. And I'm just going to click here. And this marketing fundamentals module is 6 different videos and goes through how you will be able to market. And this is a module that before, if you were buying it, was selling for, I believe it was $299. And when you join ILP with this fantastic funnel that has been put together, you're getting this for $1. And it's $300 worth of training for $1, and you can't beat that. And it's just amazing training and very simple. So I have joined up with ILP. I'm ready to rock my PLS business, because I too was one of the people that had trouble about how to go about marketing PLS. And I've been waiting on this particular funnel to come out, and it's very professionally put together. And we have a great Facebook group for this. We have a great team group if you're in my team, weekly training sessions that you can join. So if you have been confused about Power Lead System, or you wanted to get a Power Lead System and weren't sure what to do once you got in there and you dropped out and you want to come back, join us at ILP, get all the training that you need in simple step-by-step videos, and we will help you boost your PLS um, business, your income, your residual and passive income, and get you in our group so that we can train you properly on how to promote the amazing business called Power Lead System. So if you're ready to join ILP under me, my link is under the video. If you have questions, contact me at one of the contact information links at the bottom of this video as well, and I will see you on the inside for your training when you decide to join us. And everyone have a wonderful afternoon this Tuesday.